Hi all, welcome to another Java tutorial session. In this video, we will explore with an example, what is an operator in Java? How does it work? First, what are operators? Operators are symbols or characters that can perform some actions. For example, plus symbol will perform an addition operation. In Java, operators are used to performing operations like addition, subtraction, etc. We can do many using operators. There are different types. 1. Arithmetic operators. 2. Assignment operators. 3. Comparison operators. 4. Logical operators. 5. Bitwise operators. Let's see each operator in detail. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are mathematical operators that can able to perform various mathematical operations to advance mathematical operations. There are many arithmetic operators. They are: plus operator, addition of two numbers. Using this plus operator can able to perform addition. Example: int sum equal to value 1 plus value 2. Here sum, value 1, value 2 are operands. Plus symbol is the arithmetic operator performing the addition of two numbers. Equal to symbol is called the assignment operator. Minus operator, subtraction of two numbers. Example: int sum equal to value 1 minus value 2. Likewise, can do operations using other arithmetic operations like division using divide operator, multiplication using a multiply operator, get remainder value by dividing two numbers using modulus operator. Here is the real-time example for all arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assigning value to the variables. Example: x equals 3. Here, in this example, equal to is the assignment operator, where the value 3 is assigned to the variable x, using equal to assignment operator. X plus equals 3 is same as x equals x plus 3. There are many assignment operators, are given in this screen capture. Comparison operator. A comparison operator is used to compare two or more values. In this example, you can see all the comparison operators. Equal to operator, this operator is used to compare a equals b. Not equal to operator, this operator is used to compare a not equals b. Greater than, this operator is used to compare which values are greater than a or b. Less than, this operator is used to compare which values are less than a or b. Greater than or equal to, this operator is used to compare the values greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to, this operator is used to compare the values less than or equal to. Logical operator. Logical operators are used to compare the two logic in variables or values. Here you can see and operator, this compares the two logic is a greater than b and also a less than c. Condition will be true only if two logic or condition is true. Or operator, compares the two logic or condition is a greater than b or a less than c. Condition will be true if any one of the logic is true. Last one is not operator, it reverse the output. Here you can see the boolean value true is assigned to the variable trues. You can see an if condition not operator is used, so it will reverse the value to false. Bitwise operator. Bitwise operator converts the value to binary values. Manipulate it and provide decimal values as result. For example, here, a value is converted to binary value, and b value is also converted to binary value. Both the converted binary values are manipulated. Now the binary result is converted to a decimal value and shown as output. Bitwise operator has AND, XOR, complement.